Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Boy, do I have an exciting video for you, because today I'm trying on the Poly Cosy collection. Now, I don't usually review clothes on my page. Maybe I should change that. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should. I basically got 4 outfits or something from it, and I'm just so excited to show all of you. I haven't tried it on yet, but I really wanted to get my hands on it because it's exactly like the Kim K Skims. But let's see if it's as good as it looks, because it looks very good. I want to see how it fits, I want to see the quality, and yeah, I'm going to talk to you about the prices and stuff like that. So if you want to see more, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I tried on was the cream crop top. The top was £27. I love the top. I love the material. It's super soft and it's perfect for lounging at home. I then tried on the Maxi Cardigan. It was £52. I do think it's a bit on the pricey side, to be honest, but I defo liked it. And again, I love the material and the colour. It's literally the softest thing ever. Ever. As you can see, I'm literally feeling myself in this cardigan. I also love how long it is. It actually literally came down to probably my ankle, which I really love, because you can't really get many house coats that will actually go that far down. And I just love that it matches also the top and the bottoms as well. So yeah, it looks like Skims. The material is a bit finer. I feel like the Skims stuff looks a lot more chunky, but I'll take it. Then I tried on the pink joggers, which were £34. And the blush tank top, which was £27. The blush top was a bit longer than the cream one, so it actually kind of overlapped onto the joggers, which I didn't really like. I preferred the more of a croppy kind of top, especially because all the trousers seemed to be high-waisted. And then when it came to the joggers, yeah, they were just like baggy on the ends, and the way they kind of folded towards the ankle. I just don't think that this is really necessarily made for someone that's as short as I am. I'm 5'4", maybe if you're like 5'7" plus, this would fit you how it does on the site, but it just didn't fit well for me. I then tried on the cream trousers, which I absolutely loved. They were £34, super comfortable. I loved the fit, and it was so flattering. In a nutshell, not all of the products came out the way that I would have wanted them to. The joggers I was really excited about, because that's something that they don't have on Skims, and I think that this is like a kind of copy of Skims, the Kim Kardashian range. They don't have joggers, and I saw them on the site, and they look tight and they look cozy, and they look kind of like quite shapely. So I ordered 2 of those actually, because I thought those would be like my favorites. But then I ended up actually liking them the least, just because they're really long at the bottom. And yeah, I just didn't find that they looked how they did on the website. The tops I really loved. I liked the white one, the cream one, a bit better than the pink one. It was a bit more cropped, and I think that works better because the trousers are high-waisted, whereas the pink one, I found that it kind of sat on the trousers, which I didn't really love. And then the bathrobe, I mean, it's £54. I saw a lot of people on Twitter actually saying, what the fuck, like £54. But having like tried it on, it's actually really comfy. It's so soft, and it's really long, like it goes all the way down to my ankles, and I just feel like in the winter it's going to be super warm. So I am going to keep the wide leg cream trousers and the crop top and the bathrobe, because I actually love those, and I'm going to send back the pink set and the cream joggers, just because I just feel like, yeah, they just didn't really live up to my expectations. So it didn't quite satisfy my Skims desire. I think I'm going to still try and order some Skims when they're back in stock. These are a great alternative if you can't afford Skims. And also, I do really like the ones that I'm keeping. So bear in mind that some of them are really great and some of them aren't. I didn't order the shorts. I wish I did now. But I also think the shorts would be like great for the summer especially. So yeah, let me know if you've tried the collection in the comments below. Let me know what you think about them, and I'll see you in my next video.